Well, we got our engine in. This is a 383 stroker, small block, full roller. It's 500 horse. And our transmission, everything came in, and this is what it's going in. This is my new truck. We just finished the chassis, and we are fixing to finish it out. The body came in. There's some of my parts and stuff that's going on this one. New transmission. So we got all the plumbing and stuff to do to it yet. And our fabricated 9-inch Ford rear end housing. And we got to start working on the inside and finish up welding and putting some more cross bracing in. And this is my new race truck for next year. This is a Pro 2 design. It's rear wheel drive only. So, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks we can start working back on it and getting it going. Whole truck, engine, transmission, everything finished out will be right around 2,400 and something pounds. So this is XDL Pro Truck Part 1.